you're not mad about this, as certain people on the American right are, as I said, National Review's arguing that Roger Stone actually does need to die in prison, even though he's no threat to anyone, then you're part of the problem too. This isn't a Trump thing. This is actually a fundamental, basic concept of what it means to live in a free society. And this Department of Justice, at the very highest levels, is fundamentally corrupt.
Now, Ron Reacts, a commentary by News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM's Ron St. Pierre.
The Reverend Richard Bucci of Sacred Heart Church in West Warwick is trying to backfill over controversial comments that he made to NBC 10 comparing pedophilia to abortion. The outspoken Bucci made multiple rounds of headlines since he barred Rhode Island lawmakers who voted to codify abortion rights in the state from receiving communion. Bucci also said in a letter that they were barred from acting as witnesses to marriage, godparents, or electors at weddings, funerals, or any other church function. Then, in an interview on NBC 10, Bucci said, "We're not talking about any other moral issue where some may make a comparison between pedophilia and abortion. Well, pedophilia doesn't kill anyone, and this does." Now, that infuriated many victims of clergy sexual abuse. SNAP, that's the Survivors Network, said a priest in Rhode Island used his bully pulpit to make ignorant and insensitive comments about clergy sexual abuse, and now we're calling on Catholic officials in Rhode Island to publicly censure this cleric and denounce his remarks. Some even went further, demanding that the Catholic Diocese of Providence remove him as pastor at Sacred Heart. In an attempt to backfill, Bucci said his statement was, quote, "imperfectly said," and he claimed I should have said in general the child that's molested does not die physically, and I should have said, but some have. Well, even in matters of the church, it proves that you can't shine horsemen away.
Join Ron St. Pierre, weekday morning.
New music and...
7 years. Let's go one step further, gentlemen. Don't.
Riley Auto Parts story.
.com/.
That changed soon. I just didn't feel safe. So I...
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says it's preparing for the coronavirus to take a foothold in the U.S. In sports tonight, the Celtics are home against the Clippers. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Scattered showers lighten up and diminish this afternoon with temperatures reaching the low 40s, then gradually clearing out tonight as temperatures fall into the mid-20s. Mostly sunny but cold for Valentine's Day.